This is an impact from TMG, Amazon. This is honestly the nicest. I haven't even opened it yet just from looking at the box right here. This is the nicest box that I have got off of Amazon so far. Usually they come in those like very cheap cardboard box, and then there's the tool bag inside. This actually has a box. They have gone through a lot of work for the design of this box. So this is the IW10SB1, and it is brushless, half-inch drive. Exciting. All right, let's open this up. This box easily as nice as anything from the big tool companies. So nice. All right. Tool bag. Nice tool bag. TMG. What does it say? Better tools, better life. I agree. Now, I wonder what the other slogans from the other companies are. Here, I'm going to put them up. Milwaukee, DeWalt. They always use something like tough this, tough that. It's very macho, but I like this. Better tools, better life. That makes way more sense than most of the stuff I've read. Look at this. This is nice. Even the battery is boxed up. The charger is boxed up. I've never seen anything like this before. Here's the battery. It's a 2 amp hour. Very DeWalt style. DeWalt looking, but oh, has a indicator. Can you see that? There's a charger. Is that the charger? I don't know. No, it's not the charger. What am I wonder what that's for. Oh, wow. This is a first real impact sockets. Look at that. This is not like some thin wall toy. TMG. Usually they give those thin wall impacts. Look at this. This is a real deal 17. Oh, very nice. 19. $21. This is serious stuff. There's no flip sockets or anything. These are real sockets. 15 mil. And a chrome extension with the ball. All right. Oh yeah. Here's the charger. I wonder if this is like Makita style battery. I have one here. One sec. So this is the like Makita style. No, it's different. It's totally different. It's more like DeWalt. Okay. Here's the tool. Very tiny. Brushless. 1/2-inch drive. Friction ring. It has a hole for a pin, which if you noticed on the socket, they have the groove and the hole for the pin. See, even this is the 19, has the little groove for the retaining ring. The pin goes through there, then you put the retaining ring on the end. The retaining ring is just like a rubber band, basically. So this thing is covered in oil for whatever reason. So this thing is covered in oil for whatever reason. Well, let's wipe that down before I make a mess. I don't know what all that oil is from. I wonder if it is. Well, we'll see when we start to use it. Here it is. You can see it's brushless. This is a small impact. Like, it's the same size as those Makita clones. But it comes with a smaller battery. Like, I think these are 4 amp hours that come with the Makita clones. This one's a nice compact 2 amp hour for a compact impact. Oh man, this thing is covered in some kind of oil. Okay, we better put the battery on there. It has the 3 prongs. So well, this is not the smoothest battery shoe. Let's see. That's a pain in the butt. All right. Oh, it has speed settings. I'm guessing. All right, that's reverse, and I'm guessing that's some kind of like, it removes the fastener then stops. Let's see what this does. So there's only one option in reverse, which is this setting, number 3. You hold the trigger down. All right. Going in forward, you have, I guess, a whole bunch. That's number 1, number 2, number 3. Yeah, just speed settings. Anyways, we'll give it a shot and see how it works out. It's tiny. So here's the Makita clone with the bigger battery. The 2 amp hour definitely makes a difference on this impact. You don't need this huge battery for this thing. So we'll see. It's nice. It's lightweight. Tiny. Alright, I'm going to put it on the charger and we'll try it out. Let's see that. Alright.